We've got heat number 2 coming up here in just a moment. John, Mike, Rob, Anthony, Marcus, Sam, they're all out there ready for you. John Howe, our head judge here tonight, will get them all lined up for you again. We will crash them and smash them till the final 3 in heat number 2. John is working his way into the arena now. Your number 61 car. They will hand him a white flag. As you see, when they declare that they are done, they will wave the white flag. That means you can no longer get up and take them into a safety position.
Here's the driver's gate.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, they will fire them up and they'll do what you want them to if you put your hands together. Let's make some noise for round number 2. Let's get this party started. Heat number 2 is underway.
Good hit.
I don't know for sure.
Yeah.
I didn't hear exactly.
All the action's right in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. There they are. That is it. 3 out, 3 to go. We will get the official word here to the final 3 as they're all banged up right in front of you there.
He's hurt.
We're going to need the medical crew in here if we could. It looks like we need the medical crew in here just as quick as we can, if you would.